Hello guys, welcome back on my channel Beauty and the Peace, and hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means winter and wedding series. In this series I will dump each and every possible videos which is related to winter and wedding, like skincare, hair care, body care, makeup products and each and everything. Today's video is about all the affordable bomb makeup products. So the teenagers and all the girls who are on tight budget for their makeup, you are landing on the perfect video because this video is just for you guys. I have created this look with all this affordable product. So let's get started. This is my bare face. I have washed my face and I have applied some toner on my face. Now the first part is moisturizing my face. So here I'm going to use this one. This is almond oil and it's from Good Vibes. तो आज का वीडियो में मैं सारा जो प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करूँगी आई विल मेंशन ऑल द प्राइस ऑन द स्क्रीन बिकॉज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू से एवरी प्रोडक्ट प्राइस while doing makeup. So yeah, the scent of the oil is really nice, very sweet, and I love the smell. So I have moisturized my face with that oil. Now the first thing I want to do, that is applying some lip balm. Most of the time I forget it and my lips look very chappy and dry. So yeah, the first thing I'm gonna use is the primer. So it's a primer from Insight. It's a oil free primer. Let's see. All of the product I'm using for the first time on the camera, so I will give an honest review about the product. So I have some open pores all over my this area, so I'm gonna apply primer only that area. The best thing of this primer is this glides on my skin so nicely. Most of the silicone based primer, if you are rubbing it on your face, it tends to peel off, but this time it doesn't happen. So I really like the primer. So I have two concealer, both are from Swiss Beauty, and the first one is shade number 01 and this is the shade number 02. Okay, so I'm going to apply shade number 01 first. I have chosen the darker shade, one shade darker than my skin, as you can see. Now people will ask me why I have chosen the darker shade, because generally girls do a mistake. If you are choosing a lighter shade in your concealer, then after applying foundation it became very dull and grayish, so it will camouflage on my dark circle and it will blend it so nicely. As you can see guys, it hides my dark circles so nicely. I'm gonna use the same concealer as my spot corrector. Now it's time to apply foundation, so I'm going to use this one. This is the Lakme 925 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. I have heard a lot about this foundation. Let's try. The packaging is nice, but the applicator is so fragile. I don't like this one. I'm gonna blend it. Oh my god, I'm serious. And how this foundation is blending on my skin like a cream. Oh my god, I didn't expect that much. You can see a glowy finish on my skin. A big thumbs up to this foundation. Oh my god, please guys, if you are teenager and if you have like tight budget, then please go and grab this foundation. This is really nice. Now apply some foundation on my neck, and now I need a highlighter concealer. which is again from Swiss Beauty in the shade 02. Now I will apply this on my eye area just to highlight the under eye quality. Now you got my point that why I have chosen the darker shade before. Wow, it looks so nice guys. I just can't believe all of this affordable product just doing wonder on my skin. I just can't believe this. My god. Okay, so for eyebrows, okay, I bought eyebrow pencil the first time in my life. This is from Swiss Beauty and I'm in the shade brown. So this is basically a pencil, okay, but this is so smooth, it glides on your skin so well, and after applying it becomes a powdery finish to your brows. So let's do it. With this product you will get the pulley or the brush. Oh my god. Swiss Beauty are doing great job. For eyeshadow I have three options. The first one is from Mars. Can you guys see how beautiful all the colors are? So I'm gonna swatch some for you guys. Can you see the pigmentation? Can you believe? So this is the pigmentation and you will get it in only 249. Okay, और अमेजन नायका पे सेल चल रहा है तो उससे भी कम में मिल जाएगा, तो डोंट वरी. Before doing eyeshadow, I will apply some face powder or baking powder under my eye. So I have two options for that. The first one is Stay Quickly. I really abuse this product. So translucent powder and it's a baking powder and it's white in color. And the next one is the Lakme Rose Powder. I don't know why this product is so underrated, but I just love this product. This is in rose gold, okay, this is in rose gold. You will get another shade on this product, but I really like this shade because this blends on my skin so well. So today I'm going to use this one. So first I will apply this one, this purple shade. I think it will have fallout. Rubbing my brush on the eyeshadow, you can see so much fallout, but when I'm blending it on my eyes, then the fallout is very less. So yeah, it's great. Okay, can you see? Now I'm taking this one. This is the darker shade in purple. Okay, and I'm applying it at the outer corner on my eyes. This is how my eyes are looking like. Now I'm taking the glitter shade and I will use another brush. So I will take some glitter and I will apply it on the eyelid of my eyes. Glitter eyeshadow has more fallout than the matte one, and I think it's okay. We can manage it. Taking this shade again and I will apply it on my waterline to define my eyes. Done with my eye makeup. Can you see? This is wonderful guys, this is just wonderful. It's time to do something with my eyelashes. So this is the Maybelline Hypercurl Voluminize Mascara. So, and it's waterproof, so I'm gonna apply it. I am forgetting my mirror every time. See the difference. I think this is the most affordable mascara I have ever used. I will brush out all the fallouts. Eyeliner, so I have this one. This is the Stay Quickly liquid pen eyeliner, and this one is from Miss Rose eyeliner. So first I want to show this one. Okay, so can you see, this is so jet black and this is so nice. And the next one is from Miss Rose. So the Miss Rose one is lighter than the Stay Quickly, but the extra advantage we have, if you want to do wing liners, then you can have this one. Can you guys see the perfect wing it can make? Use this one. This is the Stay Quickly, and for the wings part I will use the Miss Rose ka wing part wala one. Also, it lights so nicely. Now I'm gonna use this. Use Miss Rose ka eyeliner. I think it's nice. It's really nice. Eyes makeup are done, girls, and can you just see how beautiful it is looking? And all of these affordable products are just bomb, guys. Okay, so I have this many lip shades to show you guys, but I have only two brands. So the first one is NY Shakti. You will get this on Purple, and inside non-transferable lip color, you will get this on Amazon, Nykaa and Purple as well. So for today I think I will go for some brown. This is brown, but it has some reddish tone in the lipstick. First time when you apply the lipstick it will feel oily, but after some time it will dry and non-transferable. So this is not going with the brown shade, so I'm going to apply this NY Shakti, and it is in the shade Trendy Tap. So I'm going to apply this one. Now this look good. What do you say? This is Chariot New York Vanilla Vegan Lip and Cheek Tint, and I'm in the shade Omo Rose. So you will get the product from New York only, okay? So when you will place the order, they will send it through post. Magical product which is from Inside. It's a duo 2-in-1 stick. So one side is highlighter and the another side is concealer. So I have already sharp jawline, so I don't feel to use, but आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए तो इतना करना पड़ेगा. So this is the contour part and this is the highlighter. So highlighter का निकाल दिया. Okay, I'm gonna apply this. Again, this product is a creamy texture, so it will blend on your skin so nicely. How it's blending on the skin? You see, guys. Now I will set my face. List is the fixer. Okay, again this is the first time I'm going to use fixer, because generally I use toner. And this is a makeup fixer aloe vera with vitamin E, and it's from Swiss Beauty. So let's see. This has very strong scent, kind of medicine type. Good skill. So this is how I'm looking. Okay, If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video link with your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel because subscription is free, but your one subscription can make me happy so much. And one more thing guys, if you want to see any video, then please recommend the video in the comment section. I will definitely try to make a video on that. So thank you for landing on my channel, and bye bye.